Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. We're going to go over DOT today. First off, guys, I'll show you guys the account. We're currently up $11,049. We've been doing very well. Guys, I live trade on this channel every single video. So if you guys want a channel where we're live trading, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you guys can be notified. All right, let's go over DOT. I will be going over today the metrics as well as the indicators. So we are going to be covering the emotional index. This is over at tradeconfident.io. You guys do need a membership with this. It's just $49 a month and you will get access to all of the metrics I'm about to show you guys today, as well as the trade entries. We are currently 39 for 39 wins on this channel. I just showed you guys the 39th win we took on the XRP video that just came out if you guys want to watch that. So we will be going over the DOT metrics today. The emotional index, definitely watch that. Long versus short trades. Long versus short trade risk, if you're going to be entering into trades today. Well, and institutional smart money that literally called this pump. Support and resistance prices. We're going to look at dollar cost average buys, and then we're going to look at the exit points, guys. So many good calls on the video today. All right, let's take a look at this. The original entry that was called out on our channel, which was basically over at tradeconfident.io, was at $30.50. Question, how did we do that? Here's exactly how we do this, guys. Literally right now, you guys go to the homepage over here and it's going to say live trades. You guys can do this on mobile. It doesn't matter. What you guys are going to do, come in here and click Bitcoin. This is an example, okay? These charts update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If the lines do not update, it's simply because we haven't hit our price structure yet. Here's what you're going to do right now on DOT or any of the cryptos that we cover. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. I'm going to make this fast for those of you guys who know this already. If you have $1,000, you guys want to put each buy limit at 25% of your trade allocation. So 250, 250, 250, 250, 25% of your trade allocation, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, we're just simply putting our sell limit at the first yellow line above the first entry. Now, once you guys are in a trade, follow me over here. And since you guys are subscribed over here and you guys do have your membership, I want you guys to come to the bottom and click Telegram. That will give you guys access over into the Telegram group that I have, and this will give you guys access to me, which I'm calling out a bunch of trades over here. And this is actually how I ended up calling out our XRP trade, which you guys end up winning 39 for 39. So I'm going to be calling exits over here, giving you guys my big trade setups for the week. Just crucial things that are happening. I will be updating you guys. So congrats for everyone who's been joining over there. Okay, going over DOT here. Price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Watch this very carefully, guys, on this chart. When this gets to the bottom red zone here, this is when we are seeing moves back up, as well as when we are seeing the whale money flow, which is in green at the bottom. If you follow this straight up here, we can see that this happened, this literal formation almost happened exactly on XRP, the video I just did. This is showing us that when we're at bottom sections, we are going to see pumps in the market. But if you ever see the trend exhaustion starting to move back up, basically the white line is the trend. This is a leading indicator telling you what price is going to do before it does it. Incredible. If this starts showing the move up, while this has a move down here, this is called positive divergence, and this is going to push the price back up, okay? It happened perfectly yesterday, and that's not the only thing I saw. Watch this. These indicators, by the way, the trend exhaustion is going up in price in 7 days. You guys have 7 days to get this, and I'm upping the price of this. It's over at the website. If you guys go over here or in the description under indicators, make this very fast, guys. Trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow. The bundle pack is the best thing to get. This is going to stay the same. This will appreciate in value for months and months to come because I'm upping the price of all the other indicators, okay? So just want to make that clear so I can get into this so you guys aren't missing out there. The whale money flow, like watch this. This ended up calling the low here. This ended up calling the lower low on the price action, showing a move down. But I can clearly show you guys that the flow of money was moving back into the market with this move up here. This cannot keep the price from going up. Like the price will go up if this happens because money's flowing back in. Here's the thing, guys. If you're just looking at price action and some other indicators, you're not going to see this. We are looking behind the charts at on-chain metrics of what's actually happening with volume, and we can clearly see in here that the money flow is moving back into the market here. You guys can actually even come over here if you want and take the price line off in pink and just use this if you wanted to, okay? It is very, very accurate in here. Now, are they going to partner up all the time? When you guys see let me say this a different way. When you guys see the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow both get to the bottom sections here, this is a huge sign that you're going to see reversals in the market. All right. Well, what happened when the trend exhaustion got to the top point up here? What did we see? We ended up seeing this move back down in the market. Okay, so currently at the moment, I'm going to turn this back on here so you guys can see the whole thing. But currently at the moment, we got into the trade at $30.50, so we're up 3.43%. I am looking to take an exit here. I was thinking about doing this yesterday, but I didn't call an exit out because I wanted to see Most likely what I was going to call was an exit here and then a stop loss so you guys could guarantee yourself on a win here. I wanted to see if this actually ended up happening yesterday. If we could actually pump up higher here, because technically you guys would be out of the trade and the next buy limit is a little bit lower and you would have missed out on all these profits. So I'm going to be patient on this one with us, and I just want to see what happens here over the next few days, because we still have 3 other buy limits that can be hit here to help us dollar cost average into this and ride this back up, okay? Very good trade for you guys to be in. If you want to get into this trade, simply go over here to the live trades, go down to DOT. Once you guys are down here, sorry, it's actually on the second page here. Once you guys go down to DOT, click this right here, and it will open up the chart, and it will give you guys all 4 your buy limits right now. I did move them up because the price has been moving up, so you will get tagged into the trade faster, okay? Guys, this is an incredible thing to be watching. And yes, did we end up calling the drop here? Yes, the indicators did end up calling the drop. We saw this push up into the top red zone here, and we ended up seeing that right here. None of us on this channel went long. We actually all were patient, and we got picked up at these lower prices. We actually got picked up at $2.02 on 88, which is literally at the bottom before we wrote it back up, and that was one of the winning trades that we took in the last week. It also called this top right here before we saw a move back down. You guys can clearly see that. The moment it moved down, pushed into the bottom red section, we saw this move back up, okay? We ended up seeing the trend exhaustion push to the high point up here. We saw that, and then we saw the move back down. We saw the whale money flow push to high sections up here, and guess what, guys? Follow me. I was going to go to the metrics, but please watch this. It called it both times. Do you see how price action moved down here? So let me get this adjusted there. There we go. See how price action moved down here, and the whale money flow ended up moving up? Well, what happened over here? Price action ended up moving up, but what happened, guys? It's so clear. The money ended up flowing out of the market while the price was moving up. Guys, it called the drop in the market perfectly here. Not only this, the trend exhaustion also told us that the trend was trying to pull down. This is I don't want to sound arrogant or anything like that, but guys, this indicator is almost better to watch than the price, because if this thing says that the trend is expected to go down and it's exhausted from going up and it's trying to go down, this is a huge sign you guys need to not be getting into long trades. You need to be holding off, stay patient, and if anything, short the market if you want to. I suggest getting your buy limit set up here and then getting tagged into lower positions and then getting into trades with us. It called the drop here. It called the move up here. It called the drop there. It called the move up there. It called the move up here. It also called the move up here on the chart if you guys are watching this here. Also called the move down right here. Also called the move down right here on the chart if you guys are simply watching that. And then when we got to the bottom red section here, what happened? Called the bottom before we ended up heading back up. Easily the best 2 indicators you guys can possibly get on your charts. And yes, the price is going up of the trend exhaustion in 7 days. That's all you guys have, and then I'm upping it. The bundle pack is the best. Let's get over to the metrics. I want you guys to focus on this today for DOT. These metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single day, Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday, okay? Take a look at this. The emotional index for the market, specifically on DOT, is showing that we are sitting into this very fearful section. Why is that? It's because it took a dump. This is a huge sell-off right here. Everybody who ended up buying in up here and FOMOing into these top positions, they're holding their trades. Here's the emotion of this. Oh my gosh, we're going down. Oh, we're going up. We're getting close to break even. Oh my gosh, we're going down. No. Oh, we have hope. No. And then obviously down here, it's this is what you call a capitulation stage in trading, where people literally give up and they're I'm just going to sell. This is ridiculous. Too much emotion up here. What did we do? We were so patient for this to move all the way back down here, and now we're in the profit. If you guys trade with me on this channel, we are 39 for 39 wins. We are going to be very conservative. We are not pumping and dumping. You know what, guys, I'm going to help you guys trade for 10 to 20 years in the future where you actually still have your trading account after 20 years, okay? I'm not going to be going into risky trades. We're going to use really good risk management, and this is for people, I work with hedge funds. There's no possible way I'm going to teach you guys pump and dumps on when hedge funds are clearly working with me. My average coaching client is between $100,000 and $1 million. If you only have $100, awesome. Follow the channel. It's super safe. You know, guys, eventually, once you guys start doing your pump and dumps and you start losing enough money, you will come to the emotional state of I just need to follow a channel that is going to be safe for me, because at the end of the day, I just want to make money. I'm done with these dopamine rushes. I'm done with treating trading like a drug, and I'm just getting in when I'm excited. I want something where I can consistently make money, and I can tell my parents about that they can make money. Guys, that's honestly how I'm structuring this channel. And yes, I'm getting my dad on, and my own family are trading with me here. I'm doing very well. I put my money where my mouth is. This is my real life money I have in this exchange. Okay, I just want to make that point real quick. Okay, point here. Anxiety was entering into the market. What happened with all the whales, the institutions in the market? Follow me down straight here. What happened? We saw whales, institutions, and smart money acquire long trades. They did exactly what we did. Well, I can say we did exactly what they did. And I got us into the exact same places that these guys were acquiring their long positions. Why? Because anxiety entered into the market. Everyone got scared and we rode this thing back up here, okay? So this is how we are making our money. We are using very good risk management, great levels. We are trading with the whales and institutions, and some of them are actually following me and I'm coaching them one-on-one. So it kind of helps to know that when you guys get into trades, people, a lot of money is exiting with you guys. A lot of money is entering in with you guys, okay? Long for short trades in here, take a look at this. We actually are seeing an increase of short trades pretty rapidly yesterday, and I want you guys to watch what happens today when this does come out because it will be updating in about an hour here. So short trades increasing in the market could push us down a little bit. This is more of a bearish sentiment. I think that's probably why we did end up seeing, a little bit of a pullback here, but I'm not too worried about this because this pullback here is just simply probably going to bounce off the structure low. Here's what I was looking for, which is exactly what it did. A bounce, a breakout to a retest to a bounce. And I'll show you guys my targets here, but I would stay in this trade, guys. I have a feeling you guys are going to win this trade no matter what. Either Bitcoin or our DOT trade is going to be our 40 for 40th win. So just watch that and make sure you guys, once you do have your membership, do get into the Telegram group. It's literally free for all of you guys who have your $49 a month membership, and I will be making calls here. Watch this down here. What's the best thing to take? It is definitely going to be long trades in the market, okay? If you are not set up into a long trade yet, come over here, like I showed you guys, go to the second page and click on DOT and set up your trade right now. There are 4 buy limits you guys can get into so you guys can follow along with me on these charts, okay? DOT. Moving down here, you guys know that I just talked to you guys about the well and institutional smart money. This is helping you guys stay on the right side of the market. Guys, you are not supposed to be FOMOing into this up here. I know so many people that did, and I'm going to be a little bit more stronger on this channel because I want you guys to understand this. You would have been totally safe if you just watched this metric down here. This was telling us that Wells, institutions, and smart money were acquiring their short trades. They made a ton of money. Guys, they made a ridiculous amount of money shorting this market. You guys should have been doing the same thing. You're like, well, how could I have done the same thing? I'm showing you guys the metric right here. It showed that they were acquiring short trades. That's what you guys can do. Look at what happened over here. When all the anxiety was entering into the market right here, when this was pushing down, Wells and institutions were acquiring their long trades and pushed the market back up. All right? Now watch this over here. Price was moving up over here. What was happening? Acquisition of short trades. And what happened right after that? The market moved back down. So like, if you guys are understanding how to read this, this is super simple metrics over here. Like, guys, I can't handle complicated. If this was complicated, I wouldn't share it with you because I wouldn't be able to teach it. And like, I want like a 5-year-old to be like, oh, people are going long right here. Maybe I should go long. People are shorting. Maybe I should short. But the thing is, that's not what retail traders are doing. You guys have been conditioned that you think everything's going to go to the moon. So when something moves up here, your friends tell you about it and you think you're going to miss out and you jump into long trades. That's not what you're supposed to be doing, guys. I'm trying to be, graceful on this channel, but a lot of you guys jumped into long trades up here. I know this simply because of the wicks up here. What happened is a ton of money got pumped into this candle and you guys got shorted out, and then it's just, you're in the negative. People following this channel are going to do very well because we're going to be very patient and we have all these metrics on our side. Guys, all the trade setups I set up, I look at these metrics. Like, I will be keeping us on the right side of the market. I can promise you that. It's one of the reasons why I think we haven't lost any trades yet. Okay, where are we going to go? Like, if this market pumps up, where am I looking at as far as a move up before a move back down? It's very clear to me it's going to be right around this $32, $32.66, $32.16. So $32. Let's take a look at this. $32 was right at here at structure high. What happened when we got there? It's exactly where the top hit, and then we started seeing a move back down. So that wasn't a surprise at all to me. If we start moving back down, the place which we've already hit was going to be structure low on the chart, which is right here at 30.43. We hit that and we're moving back up. Well, if we start moving back down, I am watching for very closely this structure low down here of $22.04. We'll just call it $22 because it makes it simple. $22 is down here at this structure low. So right down there, and then this structure is where I'm watching. Yes, could DOT come back down? It could. But guys, we have 3 other buy limits in here to save us if this goes back down. This is going to be one of those trades where I don't mean to be cocky about this. This is a very hard trade to lose if you guys are set up over here. You guys want to get into the other trades with us? Awesome. Get your buy limit set up and just follow me on this channel, and then follow on the Telegram group that I'm making the trade calls on for exits, okay? That's what I want you guys to be doing. Let's follow up here, and then we're going to end this video. This came out with a dollar cost average buy, literally at the exact bottom where the majority of the acquisition of long trades by smart money was happening. We came out and I showed you guys the metric down here, and this populated. This is for people who have like $100,000 to $1 million. I'm sorry. I need to stop saying that. Some of you guys have like $100 you're trading with, and I'm almost more excited about you guys because you're brand new to trading, and I'm really good job for getting into the market. What you can do here is if you want to just throw money into the market and hold it for 5 to 10 years, that's what this is for. Getting in here and just checking the charts every single day on any of our coins. If you get a green line, you can throw in $100. You can throw in 1,000, you can throw in 10,000, you can throw in 100,000, and you're just waiting for 5 to 10 years for this to mature. This is for people who want to hold, and you want a dollar cost average into your hold positions, okay? Take a look at this down here. This did end up calling the top here for the exit point before we saw it move back down, calling this as well as here, calling this as well here. What I use this for, and obviously we saw this move down there, we saw this have a nice move down there, we saw this move down there, we called the top there, we called the top there, we called the top here. So the way I use this is once we are in long trades, I end up looking for exits. So for this DOT trade, let me wrap this video up. First thing you guys need to do is come over here, get your subscription, and set up the next long trade that I showed you guys over here on the second page for DOT. That is number 1. Set up your long trade so you can get over here so you can start making profits with us. Number 2, get the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow, because they are going up in price. The reason for this is you guys need to be copying me on the chart, and you guys can learn how we're calling profitable exits, because I may be looking to call an exit today in the Telegram group for DOT if we can get closer to this high again. I will most likely call a 50% exit and a move of the stop loss here. Watch out for that in the Telegram channel. If I don't call it, it means I don't see a trade set up for us to take. It means I want us to be patient. But the next time we end up coming down here on the trend exhaustion and then pushing back up here, listen carefully, I'm making an official call here, guys. The next low we get where we push down and then we start moving back up, if we are in the profit, we are absolutely exiting 25 to 50% the next time this happens. Chances are, if this heads up today, I will be calling an exit, so make sure you guys watch out for that. But I'm literally going to coach you guys through this on the Telegram channel. Something that you guys have voiced to me that you really like is that I have not made this public, so a bunch of people can't come in here and just fill this with a bunch of their own comments. This is literally from my mouth, from my hands, giving you guys what you need. So it's like literally having me as a coach. You can follow this. I don't spam you guys. Literally, I post all the YouTube videos here, and then as well as the analysis of when we're entering and exiting some of these trades. So it's not a big community where everyone can just voice their own opinions and do that. I know that's something we might be working on in the future, but I want to let you guys know I got a lot of positive feedback where this is just me coming out, giving you guys crucial updates. If you guys see a notification from me, it's because it's crucial and we're going to be making money. So make sure you guys do turn your bell notification on or whatever you do for Telegram to get access to that. All right, guys, that's it. Good job, guys. 39 for 39 winning trades. Probably going to be our 40th trade if we head up here today. I will be calling this exit over Telegram if we see some nice moves. God bless you guys so much. Get the indicators in the description. They're going up in 7 days, as well as your membership over at tradeconfident.io. Get into the trades. Have fun, guys, looking at the profits. I am going to be updating these tomorrow. I've got 5 other testimonials I'll be adding to this, which you guys have been doing so well on, which I will be doing testimonial updates tomorrow on Friday. God bless you guys so much. Everything you need is in the description, as well as at tradeconfident.io. If you have any questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. See you guys. Bye-bye.